Okay, so it's been a while since I made a video. I'm gonna try to do this, well, not in one take because it's been like 20, but I'm gonna try to do this time, okay? And we're just gonna roll with it. All right, I am not going to try to, well, okay, let's start over. I got something cool to show you. It's cooler than my shirt by just a tiny bit because it's a cool shirt. It is, well, I guess it's that. It is the bat signal stand for the Google Home Mini, Google Nest Mini, or the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd generation smart speaker. So it is a totally 3D printed stand that gets your smart speaker up off the table and angled out into the room, and it looks great. I mean, it goes with all your Batman stuff. I mean, if you have like a basement room that you spend 90% of your time in, and it's got like a corner of Batman stuff, it's gonna look great, right? And if you don't, you need to get more Batman stuff, okay? And it's really easy to, because I mean, most of the setup is gonna be just, I mean, opening the box and then being like, huh, okay. Well, and tossing that out, pulling it out of the box, and it's gonna be already assembled. And you're just gonna wanna take off the cover, which is easy to pull off there, set that aside. And then you take your Amazon Echo or your Google Home Mini or Google Nest and get it all ready, get the cord ready. And then you just feed the cord up through there. Both kinds will fit through. You feed it through there, and then you feed it right under here into the main area there. And then you don't want to tuck it in just yet. You want to plug in your smart speaker and then kind of lift it up and pull back the cord so that you can get it in there. There you go. And then you should just be able to set it in there. And I like to have it perfectly aligned for the Amazon one. And then once you've got it good and you've got it kind of at the angle you want, go ahead and tuck that cable into that little groove so that it'll sit flat on your surface. And then from there, you take your cover with the logo and those beautiful little notches that somebody smart designed in there so that you know that it's straight. You go ahead and get that right like that and push it on, and then you plug it in, turn it on, and say, you know, hey Google, play the Dark Knight soundtrack, and then you're good to go.
Sure, playing the album The Dark Knight on Spotify.
Oh my. So you'll notice that's, I guess, I don't know if you heard it because I have this mic on, but there's a Google Home there. There's one there. There's an Alexa. There's one out there. There's one in the garage. There's a couple more on other floors as well. I probably have too many. Too many Google Home Minis? Nah. It's just, I mean, it's just an opportunity to make more things to cover these because they look lame on their own. So if you're looking for something, pick one of these up over on superherodiy.com. Right now, I will be shipping every order out with one of these so that you can show your love for your post office mail carrier. Okay, Google, stop playing. It was playing Why So Serious. It's freaking me out. Okay.
And if your wife would make fun of you for, seeing you do this, then you should probably subscribe.
And, Facebook it, Twitter it, tweet it, all that cool stuff, right?
So if it's dark and it's night, then you'll want to check out this sort of stuff again, right?
Oh, hey, thanks for watching.